Mindset, habits, and routines are the building blocks for success. Success rarely happens by accident. It starts with the way you think, grows through the habits you develop, and becomes reality through the routines you commit to every single day. The difference between where you are now and where you want to be is often found in the small actions you repeat consistently over time. The most successful people aren't necessarily the smartest or the luckiest. They're the ones who have trained themselves to think differently, act with purpose, and stay committed long after others have given up. They understand that success isn't built in a day, it's built daily. If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck, tired of building someone else's dream, or tired of feeling like your financial future is out of your control, maybe it's time to create new habits that lead to new results. Imagine waking up each day knowing that every customer you help has the potential to contribute to a growing stream of residual income. Imagine building a business where your efforts today continue to pay you tomorrow, next month, and even years from now. That's the power of combining the right mindset with the right opportunity. At TruPowur, we're looking for motivated individuals who are ready to take ownership of their future. We provide the training, support, technology, and systems. All you need is the willingness to learn, stay consistent, and take action. Because when you develop the mindset of an entrepreneur, build productive habits, and follow proven routines, extraordinary things can happen. Financial freedom stops being a dream and starts becoming a plan. So if you're ready to reinvent your future, build a seven-figure compounding residual income by helping customers save money on something they already use every day, energy. It's time to stop settling for less and start taking control of your financial destiny. To learn more, visit TruPowerCareer.com and we'll see you on the inside.